Hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day wherever you are, and today's video is going to be a review, first impressions thing of the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collaboration, the conspiracy collection. What is this move? I don't know. So today we are doing a first impressions of this collection. I'm going to show you everything that I got sent as PR from Shane. I am beyond grateful. I am a little bit late with this review, but it's completely fine. I'm like so excited to test everything out today. Also, Shane, I cannot even begin to tell you how much this means to me because I am not... Like, you've been just so freaking sweet to me and I can't thank you enough, honestly, because this means the world to me and you don't even know because I'm not used to, like, niceness from internet people, you know? So, thank you so much. I adore you. And let's go ahead and get started with the conspiracy collection first impressions. I'm also going to give like multiple videos of this collection. I don't want to be someone who just like does a first impressions review and then leaves the palette alone. I definitely think this is something that the industry has never seen before with the series and this super big collaboration between two internet giants. So I want to give this palette a moment. I think this week, the rest of the week, I'm going to focus on reviewing this collection, do like, you know, separate videos for each thing in the collection if I can. So I want to give it its own moment. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel already, I would love to have you here. It's a super great time and I review all the Jeffree Star lunches. This is the first one I've ever gotten PR, so that's absolutely crazy to me. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Alright, hello. Oh my god, I am so excited. Okay, so, normal. Alright, so let's show you everything. Before we get started with like the looks and stuff, let's show you everything that I have. So I put the conspiracy box in the background because I'm super grateful. And I'm just keeping it back there for a while. And then the conspiracy palette, it's so pretty in person, you guys. I'm dying. Also, I didn't realize, like, obviously I watched the series and everything. I've seen tons of pictures on Instagram and stuff. This has like, it's not just solid, it has like stripies. See the stripies in the SD? That's so cute. And then the black buckles in here. I have made many a complaint about the trunk cases from Jeffree Star Cosmetics because they're big and bulky. However, after the Blue Blood palette, like the first Blood Sugar, it was really pretty unique. Then the Blue Blood was like kind of a coffin. It was kind of bulky still. I'm getting used to them because now that they're all kind of like this, I can stack them on top of each other. So I do like that about them. And this one's actually easier to open than Blood Sugar was because Blood Sugar was kind of hard to open. This one's easier to open. And this is what the inside looks like. Okay. So you guys, I've been loving grungier colors lately. I don't know if you know this or not. I've been loving grungier colors lately, but I'm not really good at dark colors. But this one has like a mix of like bright colors that I used to love as well as grungier colors in here. So we have like bright yellows, we have bright pinks and reds and like light pastel colors. We also have darker grungier colors and I'm living for it. There are 3 things that I want in a palette. They have at least one of these things in here for me to like a palette, and this has all 3. Which is like an icy white shade or a champagne-y shade, a cool tone brown, and a yellow shade. I've said this a million times. I need at least one of those things to like a palette. This is all 3. I am a little bit nervous about the yellow just because I have high yellow standards, but honestly, Jeffree Star's formula lately has been really good. I'm just hoping this one holds up because I'm testing the quality of the products, not just freaking out that this is super pretty. So this is the first thing. We also have the mini controversy palette. I've seen this, of course, I didn't know it felt like this. You know how it's like what you call this? A fuzzy, staticky look? You can kind of feel, it feels kind of like it'd be a staticky look. And then this is the mini controversy palette. I love the rainbow, it's so pretty. And then here is, the mirror on this one's actually really nice as well, but here's the mini controversy palette. I'm dying to get into this shade right here, you guys. Dying. So, we also have the Shane Gloss and Gloss. The gloss. I like this black packaging on everything. I love black and white, obviously. And then this is the container. I've always thought the big gloss things for the Jeffree Star ones are really big and bulky, but I like it a lot better, and not an obnoxious pink. I like it a lot better in the steel gray color. And the big word, the gloss, on it is really cute too. It has the Shane logo. This is what this one looks like. It's a clear gloss. I'm surprised Jeffree doesn't have a clear gloss. It's really weird. We also have the pink box of lipsticks. And let me tell you guys, this feels like the Blood Sugar palette, like the little fake leathery on it, which is really funny for it being a pig. It's so cute. I'm dying. Okay, so I'm actually going to use this as like a display piece. Like I can put it in my background, I can put it on my desk when I'm working because it just feels really good. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel like a cardboard box or anything that you think this would come in. But this is the back of it. And then we have the liquid lipsticks in here. Yay! I feel like Jeffree hasn't put out too many like really intriguing liquid lipsticks lately. Like no shade whatsoever, but I've only bought a couple from his newest launches. Personally, I'm not a super metallic-y person for liquid lipsticks. We're still going to try these on. I'll have like our own video on liquid lipsticks, but I'm dying for the pinky red and the red red. Like, Are You Filming looks like the prettiest shade, and then Jeffree, what the fuck, which is like a pinky kind of reddy looking color. I'm super excited for. Also, I don't know if I've ever had a color like this really piggy pink. Oh my god, it really matches the box. I don't think I have one of those in my collection. So, this is the liquid lipstick set. I am going to take the liquid lipsticks out, put them with the rest of my Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks after we're done with the video, and I'm going to use this as a display piece. Because look how adorable, and I love pink. Also, the last thing we have is the Shane and Jeffree Pig Mirror. You guys don't even know. I mean, I guess if you watched my unfiltered opinions where I talked about what I thought about this, I love the mirror so much. It's huge. Like, I have like a little mirror that I use on my desk to film with. It's bigger than that. It's huge. Actually, let me get you the Jeffree Star Popsicle for comparison of the size. So everyone knows the Jeffree Star mirrors, but it's not really a good test of size. The Popsicle ones are bigger, so let me show you like the size comparison. This is enormous. I use this one every day on my desk because I think it's cute and it's yellow, but I'm using this now. I'm so excited. I don't know why I like this mirror so much. It's so cute. I could die. It's so cute. Oh my god. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the video, like testing out the palettes and stuff, because I feel like this is just me freaking out, and that's not cute. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so for this look, we're going to dip into the Conspiracy palette, which just looks like this, and we're going to dip into the shade Food Videos right here. Food videos were the first videos I ever watched of Shane's, like, because I thought they were funny, they were entertaining. I watched tons of them, and they all had that bright yellow thumbnail. I thought they were so fun. Some of them were kind of messy, and I was kind of like, ugh, Shane, what are you doing? But I really liked them, and I was in not a great place when I first started watching those videos, so I appreciate it. This yellow is actually, you can't even tell. It's sticking in there pretty good. It kind of reminds me of, like, the container for, like, McDonald's french fries. Is it yellow? Is it a yellow container? So this yellow is pretty pigmented. I do find there's a little bit of fallout in the pan with this shade, which is actually decently common with yellow shades. This one just has a little bit more kickback than I expected it to. But the yellow does kind of stick in there. It's kind of like a highlighter yellow. I do wish there was slightly a little bit more of base pigment to it. But it is a nice yellow. I don't know. Okay, so I know there's like a pre-order of 60,000. I think it's already sold out for like the next round of Conspiracy palettes. Because this yellow pigment, there's something unique about it where like that has a weird ingredient you can't get. The Jeffree Thirsty palette had a yellow in it too, and it also had like a sunflowery hue to it. I would love, like, I like this color. I love yellow. I'm not complaining about this color. I would love to see a Jeffree palette with like a gold yellow, like a gold yellow, not a sunflower yellow in it next. But I do actually kind of like how this looks because it looks pretty neon. Like, it's not the brightest from far away, but it's like a neon highlighter yellow. Next up, I'm going to go into the shade Cheese Dust, which is this shade right here. And it's pretty accurate. I think it's cheese instead of Cheeto for like legal reasons. I feel bad dipping into these pans and ruining the little imprints. Like, I didn't feel bad about the yellow one because it was a star logo, and like I've ruined many a star logo. But the piggy to dip into this shade, like, I don't want to ruin it. But since this is a permanent collection, like, we can get more, y'all. Like, eventually, right? I don't know when they'll be like in stock and not ever sold out because they're gonna be sold out forever. But like, we can get more if I ruin the imprints, right? I really like this orange shade. This shade's really pretty. I do find that I'm packing it on, then blending it out, just because I don't want to ruin how much yellow I put down here. But I'm just buffing this into the crease with my Sigma E38 from my brush set. It's over here. Can you guys believe that Shane bought my brush set? Dying. Like, when he did that, I was so blown away. That was crazy. I think there's like 25 brush sets left in stock right now. If you guys want to get one, because they're not coming back. But I was just so blown away that Shane bought one. Like, that's so crazy. I hope he likes them. Okay, so let me show you the difference. This is when you pack it. and blend it out, and then this is when you kind of just blend it as you're going. You can see this one's a lot more impactful. This one's a little duller, so if I pack it on then start blending it out, that's the difference in it. If you ever wonder like why some people do different techniques, depends on the kind of look you're going for. Okay, so I have no problem with the weird colors in the lid. This is gonna be a little bit of a wild video, but I just wanted to try out the fun colors first. So this color is Ranch. It is an icy shimmery shade. You guys, I just swatches my finger. I cannot help myself. I love an icy white. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Blend that out. That's so cute. Oh my god. Okay, so in the next video I use this Suic'de palette. I'm using this as a corner highlight because I already put in a corner highlight on here. But oh my god. I love an icy white shade, you guys. So I'm going to take Ranch and I'm going to put it in the inner portion of the lid. It'll go into the yellow a little bit, but it's fine because we already tested all the quality of the yellow. It's okay if they moosh together now. I look like candy corn. Oh my god, this is like the third time I've like reviewed a palette and I end up looking like candy corn. This shade is really nice, actually. I'm just taking on a flat dry brush, so I'm having a little bit of fallout under the eyes, but if you want to wet the brush, whew, it's just so pretty. Next up for the rest of the lid, I'm going to take Just a Theory because I'm intrigued by what color this actually is. Like, you can see the color, right? But it looks like a peachy. It also looks kind of gold. It also looks kind of brown. Like, I'm a little confused by this shade, which makes sense for the shade name. And I'm going to put this on the rest of the lid into the crease a little bit. We're going to cover a little bit of the orange up because I do kind of look like candy corn. Even though candy corn is good, but like in small increments. Like I can eat 4 or 5 pieces of candy corn to be satisfied. I don't need to eat a whole bag of it or else like it makes my throat hurt. So if you guys have that same experience with candy corn, let me know because no one else ever talks about it. But like candy corn makes my throat hurt in in big portions. Alrighty, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade. Ooh, wait, I don't know. Why do I want to use that shade? It's not going to match this look at all. Okay, so I'm going to take Diet Root Beer just to make it match the look, which is this shade right here. These like couple shades in the top row, you mix any of these together with the mattes and the shimmers. You put any of these mattes on the crease, you put any of these shimmers in the lid. That's going to be a beautiful cohesive look. So like really well done with the layout of this because all of these shades in the top row can make a nice pretty look together. And I'm just going to dust this under the lower lash line. This brown's really pretty. Alright, so this is our eyeshadow look. I'm going to pop on the mascara lashes and I'll be right back and we can try out on a lipstick with this look. Alright guys, I'm back with the lashes on. Wow, I look pale today. What's going on? So this, again, is the lipstick set. I think we're going to do the shade I Gotta Go because we have like a little orangey vibe. This is Orangee Vibe. I am so not used to metallic liquid lipsticks. My favorite Jeffree Star liquid lipstick that is metallic is Dream House, but that dried out really quickly. So I wonder if these will too. I'm not sure because maybe the formula's changed. But I'm definitely gonna like long wear test it and see. It smells like root beer. It smells like root beer. Also, if you wonder why I don't line my lips when I do lipstick swatches or a review, it's because I want you to get the true color of the liquid lipstick, not the color underneath. Alright guys, so this is the shade I Gotta Go. So it's a really cool metallic-y brown. I definitely would line my lips or wear something underneath if I was going to wear this on its own because it's a little bit sheer, but I double layered, like I went back over the top lip again to make sure I had like enough coverage. And I'm going to put on a different lip for the intro. You probably guys have already seen that, obviously. But just I need to whiten my teeth, you guys. For metallic lipsticks, you need to whiten your teeth because it just brings out the yellow hues because the white and the shimmery brings out the light. Just a little tip on liquid lipsticks. That's another reason I don't wear metallics usually. But this color is really pretty. It's very lightweight, very comfortable. I was a little bit worried about the root beer fragrance, but after I put it on and now I don't smell it anymore, so that's really good too because you don't want it kind of lingering right near your nose and everything. So it doesn't smell anymore. But yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will have a lot more videos using this collection coming out soon, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love if you did that. I do review all the Jeffree Star launches. I usually try to put them out like as soon as they launch. Like I've paid a lot of money for priority shipping for Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So like keep an eye out. I'll try to review things as fast as possible. This was just a little bit late, but I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for it. Honestly, you don't even know. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe down below. It'd mean a lot to me. We can hug a turkey together for Thanksgiving. And I will see you in the next video, which will be about the conspiracy palette. Would you like a 3 looks 1 palette with a conspiracy palette, a 3 looks 1 palette with a controversy palette, a liquid lipstick review, or an overall collection review first? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you later. Bye.